Hi, my name is Anna Mills, and I'm just going to show you how I work with a Canvas course in ChatGPT. Previously, I exported the course to a .imscc file, and now I'm going to attach that file in my chat session here. So I'm going to upload the file. And that takes a little bit, but I can type my message. So the kinds of queries I found work best with these files are sort of very specific. For example, I'm doing a course self-evaluation and I want to know, can you give me some examples of assignments where students are asked to self-assess in the attached Canvas course? And certainly I could, scan my course for each item on this lengthy list of criteria where I have to self-evaluate, but it would be nice to have some help. So let's see how well it does. I found the performance to be really varied. So sometimes it will say that it can't handle this type of file, or it will generate sort of complicated Python code that it wants me to run as a script on my computer. And in those cases, I have to push back and tell it, yes, you can handle this type of file. You've done it before. Please analyze this file, until it sort of finally does. So in this case, it's nice to see that that didn't happen. And it is giving me accurate examples of assignment titles from my course. And this is indeed a case where they're self-assessing, a video reflection on their research process. This one, not so much. I have to use my judgment. This one, they're reflecting on their classmates' topics, not their own. But at least there are two examples here, and I could ask for more. Just a caveat that sometimes it will make up assignments that are not in my course. I've seen that a number of times. So obviously, this is only helpful when I can kind of recognize when it's right. But it has helped me find things more quickly and think of, oh yeah, that's right, I did that assignment and that fits this criteria. So I hope this was helpful.